All right, we out here on the trail. Super populated today. Seems like every 10 seconds you come across a group of people walking down the trail. It's also super muddy. Almost to the high falls. Kind of crazy how many stairs are on this trail. Just proves that this trail is made for babies. Look at this cool little bridge though. Can't believe I haven't came across a group of people here. It's been like a good solid minute. Check it out, some slugs. Nice. Surprised I haven't seen any mushrooms yet with all the moisture and stuff. I'll keep my eye peeled. All right, I think we're pretty close here. Boy, this place has stairs. What the heck? All right, so this is the high falls. The mist from the waterfall is crazy down here. It's like it's raining. All right, we got a nice viewpoint here. Alright, they still got the suspension bridge blocked off here. Well, I think I've had enough of this overpopulated trail. Let's get back to Megavan. Wow. Don't want to walk through that. Getting back to the baby trail here. This is a nice bridge though. It looks like it's brand new. Actually, there's an old bridge right there. I wonder if this is brand new. Making it more babyish for the babies. Gotta love suburbanization. Alright, I can hear the highway now. So we're almost back to the parking lot. Almost there. Made it back to the highway here. Right, it is real foggy. I think it's foggier than it was earlier. We can get up here and get a little view. Alright, we're underneath the bridge here. It's kind of cool. Oh, dude, look at this. A tunnel. Oh, that's pretty cool. Alright everyone, so I decided not to go to the other side of the river. 3 o'clock. And it's really just 2 viewpoints that are on that side of the river. We've already seen pretty much all we could see here. It's a little too busy. I think we're just gonna head back because we got a 30-40 minute drive, so it'll be like 4 o'clock by the time we get back. So yeah, this is my chill spot that I said in the one video. Normally there's an island right there, but there's so much fog you can't even see it right now. That's pretty wild. Yeah, so I decided to come here and stop here for a little bit. I gotta catch up on some of my YouTubers that I follow. Alright, so I made it to this campsite. We've been to this one before. The one with the shelter, the outhouses, the main road goes right there. The reason I'm still in the van is mosquitoes. Yeah, let's do a speed run on these good old mosquito nets. But let's see how fast I can do this. These cheap window ones really suck, I'll be honest. Oh yeah, like a pro. Boom, just like that. I'm getting good at this. And they're not gonna get in through there. All right, next side. Come on. Oh yeah, yep. Perfect. All right, let's get the back doors. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Go. Oh no, they're getting in. Yeah, that's how you put up bug nets, boys. Look at that, protected. There's already 10 mosquitoes flying right here. We did good. Yeah, I'm glad I came to this spot because the other spot that's down the road, man, the mosquitoes in that spot are absolutely insane. Like right now, I probably only have, there's probably only about 30 mosquitoes right here. Whereas that other spot, man, there is probably at least 100, dude. I'm like, no exaggeration. From literally the top to the bottom was just straight mosquitoes. It was insane. Let's see how much of a pain this is. I've only set it up once. There you have it, folks. All right, this is a Ozark Trail Walmart shower tent. It does have a tarp up here that you can put on, but I'm not gonna put that on. Got vents on the bottom. Pockets and stuff up on the top. The shower tent's really not that bad. I mean, for as cheap as it is, gets the job done, right? All right, I'm all ready. I'm gonna make sure not to overheat it this time, because the last time I did it, the water was so freaking hot, dude. I burnt the crap out of my skin. So yeah, don't overheat your water and shower with it. This is not good. All right, wish me luck, my friends. Back inside the van here. Tell you what, that shower tent is a must if you're living in the woods. Oh yeah, I love me some sodium, boys. Yeah, so this is kind of my little makeshift cooking. I put my little battery powered fan right here. Blows the steam and heat out the door. Then I always get a collection of mosquitoes right here. They always end up forming right there. Yeah, I think this is a good way to keep the steam and stuff out. Oh yeah, 1200 milligrams of sodium. Love to eat it. We'll give it a quick little taste test. It just tastes like soy sauce, teriyaki sauce, and thin noodles. Yeah, there 100% is some thunder rumbling over there. Oh man. Well, let's pack all this stuff up real quick. Yeah, clouds are rolling in. Just about to start raining. I can hear the thunder coming from like right there. So, oh my god, these mosquitoes. Let's get in the van. We made it inside the van. Some of the stuff is a little wet still. which is not good. Oh! I'm actually gonna set up my little DIY awning tarp because it's only 7 o'clock. All right, so I use these magnets and just magnetize this tarp above my doors. Simple as that. All right, I just felt the raindrop. Then I got some tarp poles. And I just stick it right in the middle like that. My little DIY awning. What I need to do is get more poles. Here she comes. See if this little getup works here. So far it's looking pretty good. So yeah, this is my little getup for when it rains during the daytime. So I don't have to sit all cooped up inside the van. Someday I'll get an actual awning off like the side on my roof rack or something. But for now, you gotta keep it cheap and you always gotta keep it bougie. Wow, so I take my tarp down, moved it to the side thinking it's not gonna rain for a little while. As soon as I did that, downpouring rain. Oh man, could have had my doors open for this. Well, I guess we're gonna be in the van for the rest of the night. Bunch of fire trucks just drove by with their sirens on. So someone must have had a bad fire. I think this is another one. Yep. Wow, so I think this is another one. Yep. I can hear another one coming here. Yep, I see the lights. Oh, that's an ambulance, it looks like, with a trailer. Oh, and there's the police officer. And another one. And another one. That looked like an ambulance again. Dang, so that was like 10 fire trucks, 2 ambulances, and 1 squad car, I think. Or maybe it was more, man. I don't know. I lost count. That was a lot. Well, it's the next morning. It didn't really storm that bad. It just kind of rained. Very nice to sleep too. Yet again, I have 50 plus mosquitoes at my back door, which is incredibly annoying. But yeah, that's all I got for this week. Hope you guys like this short, random little video. So I'll see you guys next week. Thanks for watching. Peace.